Hello and welcome to the channel. Thank you to the sponsors. I truly appreciate your kind generosity. It means a very great deal to me. Today we should talk about another set of fictitious vessels. This time we have already addressed in previous videos ships in literature. My beloved Arabella comes to mind. Today we should be talking about a vessel that I doubt there is anyone out there who has not heard of her. And the reason to even speak about this joke of a ship is that all the time comments emerge about it. I'm talking, of course, about Black Pearl from Pirates of the Caribbean movies. And I find it beyond belief that there are people out there who think that this is a real ship, or even that it is inspired by a real ship, because it isn't. Just as the two soldiers guarding the East India Company ships, that what is the East India Company doing in the Caribbean? I never got that. And the creators of the film never explained it in any logical way. The Honorable East India Company never, ever, ever had anything to do with the Caribbean, or with world dominance for that matter, but that's besides the point. It is a film after all, not truth. And the same is true for the Black Pearl. If you remember, there is a famous conversation between Jack Sparrow, played by the brilliant Johnny Depp, and the two soldiers who are arguing exactly over this, that such a ship does not exist. And they were spot on. They were right. The ship does not exist. It is clearly a fantasy product of the art designers of the film, and they have done a fairly convincing model of a vessel. It does not look like anything. It doesn't look like a frigate, it doesn't look like a galleon, it doesn't look like a ship of the line, it doesn't look like a merchantman. Heaven alone knows what they were really thinking about, but it is halfway decent looking vessel that is looking almost believable. The only real Black Pearl that existed are the models that participate in the film. And as a matter of fact, which of them? Because there are, if I remember correctly what Courtney Anderson was telling me, there were 7 models. That include complete hull models in different scales. This completes models to be told on which action is to take place. These include also the models rigged in the studio for shooting specific scenes on them. So yes, there are models of the vessel. No, it is not a real ship, and never was intended to be a real ship. All of the vessels there, all the characters are very much tongue-in-cheek, and that applies to the vessel also. I am at a loss how to define it and how to describe it. And quite frankly, for those who are tempted to build it, don't waste your time and effort. Unless you really are a fan of the films and just want to have a model of the model used in the film, by all means, why not? Keep yourself entertained. I have built 1:600 and 1:1200 scale 17th century models to push them on a table and see what they would have looked like in a real battle, scaling properly the distances between them. It keeps me entertained, keeps me out of trouble, and no, I have not had any time to do this for the last 3 years, 4 years. But the point is, I'm sorry to break the news to you, there is no real, there is no inspiration behind it. It is just a generic sailing ship, or what the art designers imagined a sailing ship to be looking like. This is in slight contrast to the miniseries on Hornblower. There the vessel exists. They actually constructed a real full-size sailing ship. It is known as the Grand Turk. I have read somewhere or heard somewhere that it is currently somewhere in Istanbul. I haven't seen it, but then I have not really crisscrossed the waterfronts of Istanbul the last time I was there. I was for a conference, so my free time was limited to the Naval Museum rather than to anything else. But that vessel at least was a real ship. On the one hand side, they painted in British frigate colors to represent indefatigable. On the other side, she was painted to represent a French warship of the period, so a heavy French frigate. And that vessel at least truly does exist, and I believe is used for taking tourists for a day sail on the Bosphorus nowadays. But the Black Pearl, even this does not exist. So ladies and gentlemen, with this, thank you so much for watching. Sorry to have disappointed you. I wish you most pleasant rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to the sponsors. And I'll switch over to the sister channel and watch a model being built. Talk to you soon.